about kindness, friendship, and magic. Once upon a time, there was a king and a princess who lived in a big castle. They were very happy in their big castle. One day, the king married a beautiful woman. The queen was very rude, and she didn't like Snow White. She had a big mirror, and every day she asked,
Magic mirror, I see everything. I know everyone. Beauty, truth, and secret. The truth is not what people want to hear.
Kuzey gel.
Mirror, mirror on the wall, who is the fairest of them all? You are very beautiful, my queen. Your eyes shine like stars, but beauty is not on the outside, for now you are the fairest of them all.
One day, the queen asked the mirror again.
Mirror, mirror on the wall, who is the fairest of them all? Snow White is the fairest. She is kind, she is pure, and she is beautiful. Oh no! Please don't be angry. I can only tell the truth. I am the fairest. I am the most beautiful woman in the world.
रंग जमा दे हमके बने सभी मत वाले
मन कहे कि मैं ले आऊं जाना जाए
I dapat turun.
Hey, please, wait.
Wait, Kalika. What happened to her? Hey, you must be the good fairy. What are you talking about? Hello, I am the magical good fairy. I have protected everyone in this universe. What's happening here? Why is she on the ground?
Something happened to her, but we don't know what happened.
Oh no, this must be poison apple. Who gave it to her?
I think the queen gave her that one. The prince decided to play a trick on the queen. Masters, I am so happy again. Please spare the queen. She is my princess.
Remember, Prince, teach her a lesson but choose kindness or revenge. We are scary.
But we are also very kind.
We will take care of her.
Where is she now?
She's probably sleeping in her room. Bah! You have to say sorry to Snow White. Queen, your heart was full of jealousy. Now it's time to change. Sorry, Snow White. I am very, very sorry. I learned my lesson. Please forgive me.
Never forget, kindness is the most powerful magic of all.